Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I have a boys concept. This is a boys large basket, and it's just a little outdoorsy sports kind of thing. Nothing major in here, but it will be one of my larger baskets. All right, so this one is in a basket that says Egg Hunting Squad. All right, and it is a boys basket. I'm gonna have to put some more shred down here for my little eggs, but I will show you this one. All right, so this one has the 3-ball variety pack with the air pump that I picked up from Bargain Hunt before they closed. My Bargain Hunt closed. So I got this set. It was $5 and I got it at $2.22 at that Bargain Hunt. All right, and then it has 3 balls, football, soccer ball, and a basketball in there. All right, and then we have, of course, our ankle skip for the little boys. I have also put some sidewalk chalk in here along with our dino cup. I have 3 eggs over here. All right, and then in our dino cup, I have bubble gum, blow pop, and then we have our Rice Krispie treat and our Cheez-Its. And over here we have cotton candy. I have Airheads. All right, and then we have if I didn't mention, I might have already, our Kool-Aid jammer. All right, but we also have over here our Kool-Aid popping candy as well. We have some fruit snacks. We have our Tootsie Rolls. And then in the back, there's our sports ball set again. We have the Easter activity scratch, different play set activities in here. We have a Mario Brothers egg over here along with our bubbles. Now I'll tell you something about this little sports pack here. As you can see, the wording here is upside down. But if you turn it over this way, it's right side up. So I really had to decide if I wanted it facing forward or facing back. And I decided to leave the front facing in the right direction. You see our little skip ball going crazy there. To leave it in that direction. But that just means that the back of it is kind of upside down there. And that's okay. That is okay. I think a little boy is going to love this basket and have a good time with it. So I'm going to leave it as is, except that I am going to put a little more shred up under these eggs so they don't fall down in there. I do have packing paper up under there. Separate them some. And I'm just trimming these little stragglers that are hanging down a little bit. Alright. So and I thought about putting something in this space here and decided not to. I think I'm going to just leave this as is so that they can see the balls and know that it's a play set there. That's some grass falling out of the bag there. Alright, so this is going to be the little boy's sports set. I will get this wrapped up and get it stored in the house so it can be ready to go. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.